Hello friends, it's Touch of Mercy here, and I am coming to you with this video just showing you guys how I redid the front of my hair. I had these big braids for about a week and a half. My neighbor did them, and I have really dry scalp, so you know, just days of putting a lot of edge control. It got really gritty and kind of dirty in the front, and so I wanted to come on and show you guys exactly how I rebraided the front of my hair using the same braiding hair that she did. So if you want to see how I did my braids, keep watching. I already did these over, these three, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do. I mean, I'm not the best braider, but I am good enough to where I can fix it myself. So the hair is pre-looped from the braid that she did. I'm reusing old hair, and basically you want all three pieces to be about the same size when you grab them together, and you do a knot like so. So you should have three pieces, and I am going to act like I'm braiding this onto. I had already pre-parted my hair, so I'm literally just going to act like I'm doing a cornrow, but it's just a braid. So let's go ahead and attempt this. Now, I'm not a big braider, but I try my best to get by. And again, I'm sure other people have ways that work for them. This way just works for me. You want to make sure as well that you're braiding really tight, because you want the braid to look nice and neat. And ta-da! Here we have a completed braid. Right now my hot water is currently boiling, so I'm going to show you guys one more braid. I wanted to come and show you guys how my hair came out after showing you my braids last night. Came out really cute. I decided to put gold on just one braid just because this is the braid I messed up on a little bit, so it can kind of hide it. But yeah, today I wore it and super cute. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.